Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about 6-letter words. Okay, so we are starting with the introduction of 6-letter words. You see how many 6-letter words are on first slide? Banana, animal, circle, pillow, button, school, doctor, flower. These are all 6-letter words. Next, we go to action words. Also 6-letter words. Action words: wonder, listen, follow, finish, or escape. We can have also describing words. 6-letter words: little, bright, active, purple, silver. Now related to nature. Some nature words can be also 6-letter words. Planet, forest, spring, turtle. Bring you here some simple sentences. The cat runs. I like bread. The cat is big. I like my book. The sun is hot. The dog can run. We play outside. Okay. Most often we use some high frequency words. We see somewhere written in books or a newspaper also can see. These are the high frequency words you often used to see before. People, should, always, number, around, during, public, within, better. Okay, given you here missing letters. Okay, I have given you a practice session so you can all fill up the correct missing letters and try to do it by yourself. F dash S H dash R, C dash R dash L dash, M dash N dash A Y, L U N dash H dash, D R dash F dash S. Or later you can check the answers at the next slide. Okay, so now few words here rearrange to make a 6-letter word. First letter is M T A S R E. These are all random letters, so you need to rearrange them and to make a new meaningful word. Okay, P L N A E T, D R I A N G, U M M S E R, R B O K O S. These are all the words written here as a jumbled form. You can rearrange and check your answers at the back. Now already given you a practice exercise. Match the words with its meaning. Like hunter, you have to match this correct word with the correct meaning. Hunter. What does a hunter do? Someone who chases animals, right? Next is friend, market, flower, winter. These all the words you need to match with their correct meanings. Okay. Also you can check the answers at the back in the next slide. Now I have picked up a sentence for you. You can pick any 6-letter word from all of these above sentences and you can use it to make a new sentence. Pick any 6-letter word from the previous slides, or you can use that letter and write a full sentence using it. Okay, understand? Next practice session is category sorting. So you have to categorize which category does this word belongs to. Already given here few words: tigers, police, summer, orange, winter, doctor. Now already given categories below: animals, seasons, professions, things. So you need to see which category belongs to which word. Later you can check the answers also in answer key. Now we moving to the 7-letter words. Some here are high frequency 7-letter words we often used to see in the books, newspapers. Okay, between, through, because, against, another, without. Some describing words also here. 7-letter words: happier, playful, helpful, excited, careful, nervous. Everyday nouns we used to see: morning, student, teacher, country, parents. Okay, here is a practice exercise. You need to find the mystery word. So you need to guess which word it could be. I am something you do with a ball or a book. I have fun and move around. What it could be? Later you think about it and check the answer in the next slide. Next is I mean. giving support to someone in need. Okay, these are all the mystery words. You need to think about it and later you check your answers. Is it correct? You guess the correct word or not? I mean looking at words to learn or enjoy a story. I describe moving off the ground with energy. What it could be. Okay, so you think about it, students. Next we have rearrange the words. Some given words are already here. You need to rearrange them and make a meaningful word. First is YGNLIPA. You need to rearrange it and see what meaningful word it could be. Next, PLEHNGI. So next is GDAEINR. Think about it and rearrange. PNJMUGI. Later you have to check your answers also at the next slide. Next is match the words. Playing means helping, reading, jumping. These are the words and you have to match with the correct meaning of all these words. Also you can check the answers with yourself. This is do it yourself. Okay. Next exercise is underline the 7-letter words. Few sentences already written here. So you need to underline the 7-letter words. Only 7-letter words. So this is for today only for 7-letter words. Okay. Now we have few words and their meanings. Gentle. Gentle means kind and careful, not to hurt others. Bright. Bright means very smart or giving a lot of light. Strong means we are all strong, right? We need physical power. So strong means having physical power. Useful. If something is useful, we used to say useful means able to help or serve a purpose. Health. Health is the condition of the body or mind. Active. We are energetic always doing things or energetic. Now let's see some sentence making using these words. She has a gentle voice that makes everyone feel calm. The student is very bright and learns quickly. The man is strong enough to lift the heavy box. Few words also with their meanings. Success means achieving what you wanted. Courage means the ability to be brave. Freedom means the power to act or speak without control. Respect means showing some care and honor to someone. Patient means able to wait without getting angry. Prepare means to get ready for something. Now let's see some few sentence making. Hard work leads to success. The soldier showed great courage in the battle. Everyone deserves freedom of speech. We should respect our parents and teachers. You can improve your English by practicing daily.